The Gaggenau 60cm freezer with no frost means you won't have to worry about defrosting your freezer ever again. The ice water dispenser in the door gives you access to chilled water, ice cubes and crushed ice on demand. And thanks to the fixed water connection with integrated particle filter, you won't have to worry about refilling the tank or making more ice. It's all taken care of. The control panel lights up when you approach. Just choose your preferred ice or water without even having to open the door. With 359 liters capacity, the appliance offers plenty of storage space. From your favorite ice creams to large cuts of meats, it can cater to all family requirements. The stainless steel interior with a combination of drawers and glass shelves gives you great flexibility for storing your frozen produce. And of course, like all Gaggenau 400 series cooling appliances, the freezer is fitted with opening door assist, which can be installed with handles or as a handless option with push to open functionality, and can be combined with any other appliance from the 400 series cooling range.